everyone, and welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Michael Edwards, and today we're diving into a topic that affects countless families in Texas, and that is, what is the best custody arrangements for physical custody? Let me set the stage with a scenario many of you can relate to. Meet Kaylee and David, a couple who recently decided to go their separate ways, leaving the two young children, Lily and Ethan, at the center of a life-altering decision. Kaylee and David's situation is a classic example of families facing the crucial question of what physical custody arrangements is best for their children. This is a question countless parents in Texas deal with during times of divorce or separation. So, what exactly is physical custody? Well, it's an essential component of child custody arrangements that determines where the child primarily resides and spends their time. It deals with the child's day-to-day life and who takes care of their daily routines. Now, when it comes to physical custody arrangements, there are several options to consider. Number one is sole physical custody. In this scenario, one person becomes the primary custodial parent and the child resides full-time with them or her. The non-custodial parent typically has visitation rights. This arrangement provides stability when one parent is better suited to offer a consistent living environment. Number two is joint physical custody. On the flip side, joint physical custody involves the child splitting their time living with both parents. This approach aims to maintain regular contact with both parents, fostering a sense of shared responsibility. Number three is split custody. In cases where multiple children, each person becomes the primary custodial parent of one or more children. This can work if the children have different needs or preferences, but might disrupt sibling relationships. But here's the million-dollar question. What's the best custody arrangement for physical custody? The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, because it all depends on the unique circumstances of each family, and, most importantly, the best interests of the children involved. Going back to Kaylee and David, their case eventually reached the courtroom, and each had their lawyer passionately advocating for their side. The judge had a daunting decision to make, which was to determine the best physical custody arrangement for Lily and Ethan. But here's the key takeaway. The best custody arrangement always prioritizes the child's well-being, safety, and development. It ensures the children thrive in a supportive and nurturing environment. In some cases, mediation or working with a child custody lawyer can help parents reach an agreement that fits their specific circumstances. The essential thing is to keep the child's best interests at the forefront, ensuring their safety and happiness. Thank you for joining us today at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Texas family law. And please remember, you're not alone, and we're here to help you navigate these complex decisions. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.